Yeah, that's right. We don't only do race cars here. This, my friends, is an Audi RS Q8, and this thing's gonna get the treatment. This thing has a 4-liter V8 under the hood, pushing about 590 horsepower, but who really cares about that stuff? Let's get into what we're doing to this thing. This thing is getting a full-blown wrap on it. This thing is white, so one of the hardest color changes to do, and we're literally changing everything to satin black. So everything has to come off this cars, including the doors. We're doing all the door jambs and even the door jambs on this side too. That is a package we offer here. It is a ton of work to do, but if the customer requests it, we'll always get it done for him here at Wrap Legends. You know we're the best. We're gonna give you the best results. So yeah, that's the plan. So right now, I'm gonna take this thing outside. I'm gonna give it a bath because she's a little dirty right now. Then we'll get the clay bar on it, do all the prep work, and then start taking this thing apart. So let's get into it. Got this thing up in the air, got the wheels off. It is washed, it is clayed. The only thing I need to do is take it apart and alcohol wipe it. I was taking apart the car, but I took a little break to wrap the hood because the customer wanted to see what his car was gonna be like, kind of just get a little preview, I guess you could say. And it's gonna look pretty damn good. Wrap the hood really clean. This material is difficult to work with body lines. If you guys know, if you guys are vinyl installers, 3M is known for sanding, which means if you pull the material along a body line, or if it's kind of like on the surface a little bit and you pull, the adhesive kind of like creates this sand look, like there will be sand underneath the wrap. Super clean. I mean, 3M in general is really easy to work with in my opinion. Anyways, just wanted to explain that really quick, but we'll get back to taking the car apart right now. I think I'm gonna take apart the front bumper next. I wasn't entirely sure if these were connecting the, oh my goodness. All right, ooh, and we're off. So we gotta actually take a lot of this stuff apart, like take these grills out. I'll probably take these little carbon pieces off just to get this stuff out of the way. So that way when I wrap it, it comes out really clean and everything is buttoned up nicely. So that's the whole goal with this. I even have to wrap down there. That's gonna be really difficult to do. But yeah, I'm gonna take these headlights out next. And I also have to loosen the fender because when I wrap down there, I wanna make sure I get a nice deep coverage. just finished the fender. I also have the door jamb done on the driver's side and also finished the driver door. Still have this door to do and the quarter panel, but that I will do in just a sec. I just want to update you guys. Been a while since I updated you. Just knocked out the passenger side. It looks absolutely incredible. Finished the fender, the door jamb, along with the quarter panel and A-pillar. And I also didn't get this on camera, but I did finish the wing and the back trunk piece as well. And then I also put the driver's side back together. So that's kind of roughly what it's gonna look like. Door handles are all done. Looks really good. And then if you open it, it just looks black. Obviously there's still some pieces missing. Still have this arch, that arch. Oh man, my thing just crapped out on me. Guys, this is an Audi RS Q8 that we just finished up. Looks really, really good. We did all the jams. We helped him fix his wheel. We coated everything. Everything on here is coated and protected, so it'll last the maximum amount. But anyways, guys, if you like this content, make sure you guys leave a comment. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Always stay tuned to see what we got coming up next, and we'll see you in the next one.